If you're looking to install IPA Files on your iPhone or iPad without using a computer, you're in the right place. In today's updated tutorial, I'll show you how to use the latest Esign Certificate method to sign and install apps directly on your iOS device. No PC required. First, go to applejr.system.io. Then click the red button to install AppleJR Signer. Click Allow, then install the profile by going to Settings. Hit Profile Downloaded, then install the AppleJR config. After that, go back to the home screen. Click AppleJR app. Here, I have added a lot of the latest certificates that work to install IPA Files. You click the random link from the top. Then click Install. It will automatically be installed on your device. Then verify it by going to Settings. General, VPN and Device Management. Then click Trust. After Trusted, you can open Esign. Now, you have to import new signed certificate into Esign. Go back to AppleJR app. Then click Esign Zip Certificate. Then save it into Files app. Go back again to Esign. Click three dots on the right corner and click Import. Import the certificate that you downloaded earlier. After imported, unzip the certificate. Open the folder, then import National Certificate. Now, certificate has been imported and ready to install IPA Files. Click three dots again, then import the IPA files what you want. After imported, go to Tab Apps. Hit the icon of the app. Click Signature, then Install. After signing, tap Install and the app will appear on your home screen. And that's it. You've now got the latest version of Esign working with a brand new certificate, no computer needed. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more iOS tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions.